My name is Thurman Barker, and I would like to invite you to a concert that is being presented at Roulette. This concert takes place Thursday, October 18th, and I am premiering a orchestra piece with jazz quintet that's entitled Southside Suite. I'm in very good company with some wonderful musicians, the Cagey Bird Orchestra, featuring the music of Thurman Barker. This premiere I am having Thursday, October 18th, is a piece I composed paying homage to my hometown, Chicago. I grew up on the South Side. I have been a product of the music scene in Chicago from 1964 all through 1979 until I moved to New York. Southside Suite has ingredients of many of the musical styles I have performed in. Muhal Richard Abrams, Roscoe Mitchell, Calipurusha, Henry Threadgill, Wadada Leo Smith, Anthony Braxton. I have performed music with all the above and have been inspired to write and compose a large ensemble piece, which Southside Suite is my first attempt composing for large orchestra. I also have left a little room in there for my jazz quintet. Please come out. I'd like to see you there and experience something new and different from these extraordinary musicians that I have put together for this orchestra, and the orchestra is entitled the Cagey Bird Orchestra, featuring the music of Thurman Barker.